Welcome to your next project. You see a lot of wood paneling, which they like, but they are okay with lightening it up.
It's their vibe.
So they have the 2 beds. You might have up to 4 people staying in here. The kitchen is pretty spacious. You even have a dining area built in.
That is really nice.
Wait till I show you this bathroom.
Okay.
Come on over. It's a tight space.
It is really tight. Also, the shower position.
Yeah.
A big dude in here is not gonna work out.
So you see what we're working with, right? I haven't told you about the budget. For this space, we've allocated $25,000
For the kitchen?
for the whole thing. Kitchen, bathroom, beds.
I think it's doable. It's pretty tight.
If the welcome mat is any indication,
This is like an unwelcome mat.
and this is an unwelcome room.
Oh.
A lot of interesting things. You can't get it open. Feels a little 1985.
This is the current kitchen. I also have a coffee maker.
Okay. Oh,
How do you like that mirror size?
this bathroom is not saying get away.
No, it is saying get away. It's saying get away.
Go far away.
We have our hands full, and we don't have a lot of time to get this done or a lot of money. We have $22,000.
22,000 sounds like a lot of money, but we are adding all new furniture, adding a kitchen. I mean, appliances, people, hello. That money's gonna go fast.
It's a lot. Look at all this wasted space.
It's got potential.
Housekeeping!
1, 2, 3. Woo! Wow!
Give me a new door.
Oh, that's my teammate right there. Now she's going overhand.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah!
We have a door.
You're strong and mighty, girl. We don't need no boys.
You don't break that mirror. We don't need any bad luck.
I think they glued it. You loosened it. I can't have that in my life.
Let's send the bad luck over to Mika's hotel. Here you go, Mika. They got the bad luck.
Close the window.
All right.
We're good.
Welcome to paradise.
Oh my gosh. It seems to be a trend for this property that light and bright and playful is very prevalent. Who painted this detail?
Yes, I hand painted this myself.
I love that kind of detail. I like that you've created an art piece. It's very welcoming, but you haven't closed off the room.
And giving the bed some privacy.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I can tell you win the painting award because these are the straightest paint lines I've seen anywhere on any of these properties.
Glad you noticed. I may have been the taper, and Carmian was the painter.
Indeed.
Amazing.
This is beautiful. It's light and it's fresh.
Oh, the headboard
Nice
is
custom
very,
detail.
very cool.
Yep. We wanted it to feel like the ocean waves.
This actually feels very roomy.
We were able to get really smart about allocating space. It really needed a lounging area, which is a sleeper sofa.
So you can fit 4 people comfortably in this room.
How do you get past that bed if it's pulled out? Because it looks like it's right against it.
We tested it out, and there's plenty of room to go through here, but check it out.
Yes.
Not only is this a coffee table, it's also a dining room table.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool.
We
Oh,
have
here,
some
wait.
additional seating here.
We wanted to make sure that the whole family could eat here, play cards.
This is how our family, when we travel, even when we were kids with mom and dad, we would have something like this for playing cards. This is very cool.
Well, the one thing I'm noticing is you don't have an actual closet. You've got hanger storage, and you don't have an actual dining table.
Right.
It feels like the room is big enough where you could have had both.
Hold that thought.
Okay.
We did think about that. I mean, obviously we have a dresser, but check it out. Underneath the bed, we gave you some additional storage.
Okay,
Oh, good.
okay, great.
Both sides?
Just this side.
I like the drawers. Instead of the hardware sticking out, I would actually just do a push open.
Because I know I would catch my ankle on that. I love the Mint appliances.
I love the color for the cabinets. It goes extremely well with your branded color on the walls.
I like the idea to run the shelf right across the window. Gives you the extra storage.
A lot of people are afraid of doing that. They're like, you can't block a window, it's ridiculous. But we're here, you're not looking out these windows.
No.
You just want natural light, and this adds a lot of function to the kitchen.
Absolutely.
Indeed.
Any visitors welcome?
Hello.
Holy smokes.
Well,
You guys. Wow.
Look
oh
at
my
this. This is really, really cool. I love it. It's so gorgeous in here. You're tying in some of the elements from the front lobby too.
Oh my gosh, he noticed that right away.
The woodwork. Holy smokes, you've been busy. The paper is beautiful.
The color of the ceiling works well. That I literally saw birds that look just like that on my way here today. So,
exactly.
yeah.
When I'm on vacation, I know that I want to exhale. So I really wanted it to feel very calming and also be very functional. You do not want to take away that you can sleep 4 people in this space.
Where do the 4 people go?
You ready to show him the mega bed? All
The
right,
mega bed?
my girl knows.
Oh, is it a trundle?
It's a double trundle.
Oh, there's a handle. I see it. Oh my God. That is such a clever idea. And you've got a full-size king as well, which is fantastic.
What I really like is if people decide to sleep but others didn't want to be in bed yet, you're not impeding all this space over here with the beds. You still have an entire banquette area and the kitchen area to use.
And that really went along with the storage. We wanted 2 big, deep wardrobes so you could store your suitcases, you can hang your clothes up on the rods.
Well, and also by building in the storage, the bench, you're actually adding more hard value.
Wood, it's not gonna ding as easily.
Your millwork is great.
But I always worry about any sharp corners on anything.
Yeah. Or something that you can bang, especially if this will be a room for kids.
Okay.
I would have rounded these corners here. Is this a
Look,
hidden
more
drawer?
storage.
Yes.
Everything.
Amazing.
Great. Is this storage under here?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
More storage.
I'm sitting down, I'm trying it out.
Yeah. This is so
Perfect.
great. I absolutely love, this makes a very small room feel way bigger when we are 4 adults. We could fit a couple more in here and be comfortable.
And before you get up,
Okay.
we want to offer all of our guests complimentary breakfast. So we actually co-branded with a bakery in the area. So we have the William and Garland biscuit mix,
Oh my gosh. What a
And-
great idea.
Sylvia's Jam. Sylvia is going to be the name of their daughter that they're expecting any day now.
Yes.
So I feel like adding that family legacy into something that they can offer to the guests was really important. Available for purchase as well.
You've done a really great job. Overall, we're seeing all of your branding because this is a business. It's not just about the beauty of the room, and it's also the brand as a whole.
You guys want to check out our, oh!
You okay? Ow.
That's not a good thing.
Yikes.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ow.
I would suggest not floating a shelf right over the bench. Like,
That would totally be me. So, oh my gosh, you sure you're okay?
no, I'm fine.
Okay.
The
This-
winner of the Kitchenette Challenge is
Team Mika.
Mika.